What's up, you all? It's your girl Oluwasayo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys already know how we do these things, so tick the boxes and let's get to it. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 5 tips to help you look sophisticated and classy in 2023. If this is what you are interested in, then make sure to watch this video to the end. The first on my list is choose your colors wisely. Colors have a lot to do, and it says a lot about each and everyone's personality. It says a lot about your style, the way you look. In 2023, to look classy, you can either choose to go monochrome. Yes, monochrome style is you choosing the same particular color all through. Like, for example, in this picture, yes, this is a black monochrome look. She's wearing a black blazer, a black shirt, black pant, trouser, black shoe. I mean, monochrome is giving us the same color from the beginning of your dressing to the end. It doesn't have to be the same shade. I mean, you can wear a different tone of black as a shirt and different tone of black pant trouser, but when people see you, the first thing they see is all black. Also, you can apply this to any other color. You can go red, you can go blue, you can go white. You know, just give this monochrome looks. It gives this classy and rich lady vibe. Still on the colors, do not wear more than 3 colors. I mean, it's okay to match colors. Look at this. It's okay to match colors. You can use lemon and orange, red and yellow, purple, and you can actually play with colors. Make use of any 3 colors that make you happy, but make sure they are not more than 3 colors, because they don't give classy vibes, they don't give sophisticated vibes. Stepping out in bold, sharp colors, even neutral colors, just play with the colors. Wear any 3 colors that make you happy, but make sure you're not wearing more than 3 colors. On to my second point is get more timeless basic wears. I mean, you don't want to be jumping on every trendy outfit that comes your way. You also need to invest in basic wardrobe pieces such as silk shirts, pant trousers, jean, high waist skirts, t-shirts, button down shirts, cardigan, blazers, those things that you can pick up for your daily use. Yes, you need to invest in those basic wears. I mean, your wardrobe should not be full of basic wears, but then a reasonable part of your wardrobe should comprise of basic wears. They help you look simple yet classy and sophisticated. Trust me. On to the next point, which is the proportion of your outfit should be 1/3 to 2/3. That means if you're wearing a crop top, you should actually combine it with an high waist trouser. The high waist trouser or the high waist leggings is the 2/3, and then the crop top is the 1/3. You should be dressing 1/3 to 2/3 or 2/3 to 1/3. Don't dress in halves, like you're wearing a top that gets to your waist and then your pant trouser twist. It just doesn't give this sophisticated, classy vibes. It doesn't. If you're actually wearing a dress, you can use a belt to demarcate your 1/3 from your 2/3, which looks absolutely beautiful. And even if you are wearing a jacket, you can always use accessories to accessorize your looks, which gives this sophisticated and classy babe vibes. So on to my next point, which is learn how to dress for your body type. I can't say this enough, guys. You need to learn how to dress for your body type. Stop saying I don't have a good body structure, my shape is poor. No, you need to, in fact, start with saying positive things to your body. Trust me, your body will be happy. You think your body cannot hear, but the more negative things you say to yourself, the more negative things actually manifest, whether you believe it or not. So start with saying positive things to your body, then try to dress according to your body types. The first thing you need to do is to find your body type. Know your body type. Do you have the apple, hourglass, pear, or triangle? You need to make your research. You need to find the best outfit that fits your body type. Not everybody can wear the same outfits. You just need to start by accepting that the outfit that fits a person with the hourglass body type will not fit the person with the apple body type. So you need to first find which body type you have, then find the outfit that works for you by trying out different outfits and combinations. That way you will know what your own unique and personal style is, and you are on your way to looking classy and sophisticated in 2023. Fifth point on my list is grow your collection of accessories. Yes, grow your collection of accessories. Get your jewelries right. Accessories can either break or make your outfits. Get metals such as silver, gold, or rose gold. Get studs, get pearls, get bracelets. You know, accessorizing your outfit with all these accessories just help you make your outfit more beautiful. But imagine you've actually dressed, you followed the previous rule that I mentioned, and then you just go ahead to ruin your outfit with your accessory. No, no, no. So grow your accessory in 2023. Also, you need to get belts and even structured bags. Helps to define your outfit more. When you get structured bags, you don't get to spend every now and then, because structured bags are timeless pieces and you get to use them over the years because they do not lose shape. Structured bag, jewelries, belts, scarves, and even the right shoes. Even the right shoes. Yes, you can't look all beautiful then match your outfit with a boring shoe. No way. Don't do that in 2023. After you've chosen your particular style, your look, you need to match them with the right accessories, right bag, if you must use scarf or belt, without forgetting your watch and sunglasses. They help you elevate your outfit. Trust me, when you match the right accessories with your already beautiful outfit, you're on your way to looking sophisticated and classy. And the most important tip to dressing classy is don't forget to wear your confidence. Yes, a confident lady is a classy lady. So guys, if you liked this video, don't forget to drop a thumbs up. Subscribe if you've not already subscribed. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell to know when I post the next video. Also, please share to your friends and family. I love you guys so much. Bye.